Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this broken ugly slipper into something awesome. Hi, I'm Sonali. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I hope you will enjoy my video. I got this pair of slippers as a gift. Since I have a darker skin color, I didn't like how it looked on my feet. But after I used 2-3 times, the strap came off. So I decided to change it the way I want. When transforming a slipper, first of all you need to take out the upper insole part from the sole. I only did it halfway through the slipper because I am only changing the strap part of the slipper. After separating the two parts, I am going to mark the initial place where the strap was. Because when we are gluing the strap again, we need to glue it to the exact place as it was before. After marking it with a ballpoint pen, we can remove the strap for the covering. I removed straps from both the slippers. If there are any flaky areas like this, you need to remove them using a wire brush or a sharper tool. To cover the straps, I am going to use a velvet material that matches with the color of the slipper. Place the strap on the wrong side of the fabric and mark the outer area using a silver color pen. If you don't have a silver color pen like this, you can use a pencil, but don't use any ballpoint pens because the ballpoint ink will smudge through the fabric when it is contacted with the glue. Mark both the straps like this. Now take the clear glue and apply all over the marked area. I am applying glue 1 cm margin outward from the long two sides of the marked strap. Keep watching and you will understand why I did like that. I am applying glue not only on the fabric but also on the top side of the strap. Now let everything dry for 10 to 15 minutes. You can know whether the glue is dried when you are able to touch the surface without any stickiness. Now place the glued side of the strap to the fabric and adhere both them together. Then I am cutting the fabric, keeping 1 cm margin from the long two sides. Stretch the fabric and press so it won't have any wrinkles in the middle. Now apply the clear glue along the long two sides. If you want to know how to make a new slipper from scratch, I will link my previous video from the top right corner. Make sure to watch that also. After applying glue on both the straps, let them dry for 10 to 15 minutes. I usually apply 2 coats where it is necessary. Now fold over the fabric towards inside like I am showing here. Now I have finished covering both the straps with the fabric. Now we need to glue this strap back to the insole. For that I am applying glue to the area where the strap is touching with the insole. I am applying 2 coats by letting them dry between each coat. Same as the strap, I am applying glue to the bottom side of the insole where I previously marked the strap. For this area also I am applying 2 coats of glue because the first coat is usually absorbed to the material. After everything is dried, I am placing the strap back onto the insole. When doing this, carefully see the method that I am doing. First I am placing the front of the strap and then back of the strap and finally the middle part of the strap. This way we can make sure the strap is placed exactly where we want without any misplacement. Now both the straps are finished placing. Now we need to glue the top part and the sole back together. Now apply glue on both the sides and make sure to apply 2 coats. After they have dried, press them back together. Now we have mostly completed the remaking of this slipper. You can finish this slipper from here and use it like this. But I am doing an extra bit of decoration. I am going to make a bow to place on the top of this strap. My block is 17 centimeters long and 2 centimeters from here and 4 centimeters from the widest place. I have prepared here half of the block. Now place it on the fabric and draw a complete block on the fabric. We need 4 parts like this to make 2 bows. Now place 2 pieces on top of each other touching the right sides and sew along the 2 long edges. Off the camera I sewed them together and turned them inside out. Now I am making a knot in the middle and folding the 2 free edges back to the middle to make it like a bow. Adjust the length of the bow as you like it and sew it using a thread and a needle. Now glue the prepared bow to the strap. This is how it looks after finishing everything. This is how it looks on my feet. It feels comfortable and easy to walk. I hope you will never throw away your broken old slippers. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like this and subscribe to my channel. We will meet again in another video. Until then, bye.